A very good morning to all of you, class 12th. Welcome to your TSN English class. This is your chapter 3, Deep Water, and this is the second part of your chapter, or you can say that second video of the chapter. Before starting with the paragraph, I would like to tell you about the previous paragraphs. Like in previous paragraphs, we have read that author, he is having some kind of fear in his mind because of his childhood memories, because when he was a child of like 3 to 4 years old, at that time in beach in California, when he and his father stood together, at that time a wave knocked him down, and in that wave author was like under that wave, he's covered with that whole water, and his breath was gone. From that time he was like some kind of fear in his mind, and there is a terror in his heart regarding this all these waves and all. So that is why he's afraid of swimming, and he don't want to swim. But in this age he is just trying to overcome or control his fear. That is why he decided to learn swimming. Now we'll start a paragraph from here. I went to the pool when no one else was there. The place was quiet. The water was still. Now here in these lines, the narrator is trying to say that, or the author is saying that, I went to the pool when no one else was there. That means when there was nobody near the pool, at that time he went over there. The place was quiet, और क्योंकि उस वक्त pool के आसपास कोई भी नहीं था, that is why it looked like the place is quiet. The water was still, and till bottom was as white and clean as bathtub. So at that time, because nobody was there, so water जो है वो still position में था. There's no movement in the water. The tiled bottom, and the swimming pool का bottom है, उस पूरे bottom पे tiles, some like the whole swimming pool or the bottom area of the swimming pool is covered with tiles, and it looked like the swimming pool looks like a clean bathtub. I was timid about going in alone. So he's feeling nervous because he didn't doesn't want to go alone in that swimming pool. So उसके mind में थोड़ा सा nervousness और shyness थी. So I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. That is why he sat over there, because he's waiting for other people. I had not been there for long when in came a big bruiser of a boy. So here author is saying that when he was sitting there near the pool, he had not been there long when in came a big bruiser. अभी वो थोड़ी देरी हुई थी, उससे बैठे हुए ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ था. Suddenly when in came a big bruiser. Here big bruiser means a person who is tough and aggressive. So that kind of a boy, एक ऐसा person आता है, probably 18 years old, and it looked like जैसे वो 18 years old का है. He has thick hair on his chest, and he is having some thick hairs on his chest area. He was a beautiful physical specimen. So it looked like the जो 18-year-old man वहाँ आया था, he is like having physical specimen, like ऐसा example था physical, because his body looks like perfect. So physical specimen here means he's example of like physically fit people with legs and arms that shows rippling muscles, and it's look like there are some small उसके legs और arm ऐसे लग रहे थे, it look like some waves are over there. He yelled. So he yelled here means he shout loudly, hi skinny, how do you like to be ducked? And he's saying that, hi skinny, तुम कैसे हो? How do you like to be ducked? Ducked means dive. तुम dive के बारे में, how do you like to be dived? Now move on here. With that he picked me and tossed me into the deep end. और ऐसा कह के उसने ऑथर को क्या करा, उठाया, and tossed me into the deep एंड, और ऑथर को कहाँ फेंक दिया, पानी के अंदर, बिल्कुल डीप एंड्स में. आई लैंडेड इन अ सिटिंग पोजिशन, swallowed water. Your author is saying that because he was sitting over there, so and due to that वो ऐसे वहाँ पे लैंड हुआ सिटिंग पोजिशन में. swallowed water and due to that क्योंकि वो अननोइंगली गया था, उसने वाटर को स्वॉलो कर लिया है. एंड वेंट एट वंस टू द बॉटम, और अचानक से वो सीधा कहाँ चला गया, पानी में, बॉटम एरिया पे. आई वॉज फ्राइटन एंड दैट टाइम ही फील्स like that he is afraid. So he was afraid at that time but not yet frightened out of my wits. So here वो कह रहा है कि मैं सिर्फ अपने माइंड में ये डर बैठा हुआ था दैट मैं डूब जाऊंगा, बट वो अपनी समझ से पूरी तरह डरा हुआ नहीं था. ऑन द वे डाउन आई प्लान्ड, और जैसे जैसे वो पानी के नीचे जाता जा रहा था, एट दैट टाइम ही प्लान्ड दैट व्हेन माई फीट हिट द बॉटम, जैसे उसके फीट जो हैं वो बॉटम को हिट करेंगे, आई वुड मेक अ बिग जंप. तो वो एक बिग जंप लेगा पानी में. केम टू द सर्फेस, देन वो सर्फेस पे आएगा, लाई फ्लैट ऑन इट, वो फ्लैटली उस पर लेट जाएगा, एंड पैडल टू द एज ऑफ द पूल, एंड वो अपने पैरों से पैडल करता हुआ पूल के कॉर्नर एरिया या एजेस पे पहुंच जाएगा. It seemed a long way down. Here I am in on the next paragraph, right, students? So it seemed a long way down. Those 9 feet were more like 90. So उसे ऐसा लग रहा था that it is easy, but it is not easy for him. जो 9 feet भी हैं उसे 90 feet लग रहे थे उस वक्त. And before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. So he's saying that कि जैसे ही वो bottom को touch करा था, he felt that he is losing his breath. But when my feet hit bottom, I summoned all my strength. लेकिन जैसे ही उसके feet bottom पे touch हुए, उसने अपनी पूरे ज़ोर से, पूरी स्ट्रेंथ से, and made what thought was great spring upwards, और उसने ऐसे सोचा that वो बहुत अपवर्ड आने की कोशिश करेगा. आई इमेजिन दैट आई वुड बॉब टू द सर्फेस लाइक अ कॉक, एंड उसने ऐसे अपने माइंड में इमेजिन करा दैट हियर बॉब मीन्स टू मूव क्विकली अप एंड डाउन. वो ऐसा मूव करेगा to the surface like a cock, and he moves over there like a light soft material which comes from the outside of a type of tree. So अपने आप को पेड़ की छाल की जैसे हल्का समझ के ऊपर आने की कोशिश करेगा. Instant I came up slowly. I opened my eyes. धीरे धीरे जैसे वो ऊपर आया, I opened my eyes and saw nothing. उसने अपनी आँखें खोली and उसे वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं दिखा. Now students move on to next page. But water that had a dirty yellow tinge to it. So here he is saying that water that had dirty yellow tinge, उसे सब तरफ water दिखा, and here is some small amount of color or feeling he's felt over there. I grew panicky. Panicky means here he is having some kind of uncontrollable fear in his mind. I reached up as if to grab a rope, and उसे ऐसा लगा कि वो जो है एक रोप को पकड़ के, एंड माई हैंड्स क्लच्ड ओनली एट वाटर, बट उसके हैंड्स में सिर्फ क्या आ रहा था, ओनली ही इज क्लचिंग द वाटर. आई वॉज सफोकेटिंग, एंड दैट टाइम ड्यू टू लूजिंग हिज ब्रेथ उसे सफोकेशन फील हो रहा था. आई ट्राइड टू येल बट नो साउंड केम आउट. ही इज ट्राइंग टू शाउट लाउडली हियर. येलिंग मीन्स शाउट लाउडली, बट नो साउंड केम आउट, बट उससे मुंह से कोई साउंड नहीं आ रहा था. देन माई आइज़ एंड नोज केम आउट ऑफ वाटर. देन आफ्टर दैट उसकी आइज़ और नोज जो है पानी से बाहर आई, बट नॉट माई माउथ, बट उसका माउथ बाहर नहीं आया. आई फ्लेल्ड to the surface of water, swallowed and choked. Here he is saying that I flailed. Flail means to move some energetic or he is moving in an energetically way, that it is like uncontrollable way for him. So he is moving in that energetic way at the surface of the water के surface area पे, swallowed and choked at that time because he swallowed the water and he felt like a little bit choked I tried to bring my legs up. उसने अपने legs को ऊपर करने की कोशिश करी, but they hung as dead weights, paralyzed and rigid. And it feels like that उसके legs जो हैं उनमें बिल्कुल भी जान नहीं है. These are like dead legs, and it looked like they are paralyzed and rigid. There is no movement over there. A great force was pulling me under, and he felt that कुछ ऐसा एक बड़ा कुछ ऐसे बहुत फोर्स है बहुत ज़्यादा जो उसको कहाँ मूव कर रहा है नीचे. आई स्क्रीम बट ओनली द वाटर हर्ड मी. वो बहुत ज़ोर से चिल्लाया, बट एट दैट टाइम उसे ऐसा लग रहा था केवल उसकी जो आवाज़ है वो पूरी तरह पहुंच नहीं है. आई हैड स्टार्टेड ऑन द लॉन्ग जर्नी बैक टू द बॉटम ऑफ द पूल, एंड इट लुक्स लाइक जैसे अभी उसको बहुत रास्ता पार करना है फ्रॉम बॉटम टू द पूल. आई स्ट्रक एट the water as I went down. So he's saying that I struck at the water. जैसे जैसे वो नीचे जाता जा रहा था, expending my strength as one in nightmare flights as irresistible force. So वो अपनी strength को बढ़ा रहा था, but उसके लिए ये सब कुछ एक डरावने सपने की तरह था. I had lost all my breath. अब उसे लगा कि उसने अपनी सारी जो है breath वो खो दी है. My lungs ached. उसके lungs में pain होने लगा. My head throbbed. So here उसका जो सर है वो भारी होने लगा. I was getting dizzy. Now he is feeling very uncomfortable, but I remembered the strategy I cocked to the surface. But अभी भी उसे वो strategy याद थी कि किस तरह उसे पानी में jump करके ऊपर आना है. I would lie flat on the water, strike out with my arms. और किस तरह उसे पानी के ऊपर फ्लैटली लेटना है और अपने आर्म्स को लाना है. थ्रैश विथ माई लेग्स, देन आई वुड गेट टू द एज ऑफ द पूल एंड बी सेफ. और तभी वो पूल से बाहर निकल पाएगा. एंड जब तक वो पूल के एजेस पे नहीं आएगा, टिल देन ही इज़ लाइक नॉट बी safe. So students, here in this paragraph we have learned that, or we have read that here author is trying to overcome his fear, and that boy who is 18 years old, he pushed him into the water, and due to that he is facing some kind of a problem, that he is out of breath, he is like shouting loudly, he is moved energetically in the water, and he felt that he is dead, and his body felt rigid over there. And from next this I went down, we'll continue our chapter in our next video.